Good morning, students. Very warm welcome all of you. Today we are going to study about the prefixes and suffixes. Dear students, we have completed up to chapter number 6 in grammar. Today we are taking vocabulary. Part is vocabulary, chapter number 4, prefixes and suffixes. Prefix. What is prefix? It is added to the beginning of a word. A prefix is added to the beginning of a word to create a new word which has a different meaning. Means if we have added a prefix before the main word, it has been changed by its meaning. Means we can say if we add any prefix before the main word, then the word will be created and it will be different from the main verb. Thus we can say prefix is added at the beginning of word. Just like we have main word like and we have added dis as a prefix. It has been dislike. What? It has been dislike. So it is called prefix in Hindi. प्रेफिक्स, डियर स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले प्रेफिक्स को हिंदी में कहते हैं उपसर्ग. उपसर्ग, इट इज एडेड टू बिगिनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड. प्रीफिक्स हमेशा मूल शब्द से पहले जोड़ा जाता है टू क्रिएट ए न्यू वर्ड, जिससे क्या एक नए शब्द का निर्माण होता है. और जो एक नया शब्द होता है वो अपने आप जो मूल शब्द से अलग ही अर्थ देता है. जैसे मूल शब्द है लाइक, उससे पहले प्रीफिक्स यानी उपसर्ग जोड़ा डिस, और मूल जो बदलने के बाद शब्द बन गया वो हो गया डिसलाइक. क्या हो गया? डिसलाइक. नेक्स्ट इज सफिक्स. इट इज एडेड टू द एंड ऑफ वर्ड. जस्ट अपोजिट, सफिक्स इज एडेड टू द एंड ऑफ वर्ड टू क्रिएट ए न्यू वर्ड and which has a different meaning. Means the main word is happy, we have added a suffix as a ness as a suffix. It has been happiness. Means happy is a word, we have added suffix ness, it has been happiness. So we can say suffix is added to the end of the main word. In Hindi suffix को कहते हैं प्रत्यय. इट इज एडेड टू द एंड ऑफ वर्ड. इसका यूज हम किसी मेन वर्ड के अंत में करते हैं और इसका यूज करने के बाद एक नया शब्द बन जाता है जो अपने आप में एक अलग मीनिंग देता है. जस्ट लाइक हैप्पी प्लस नेस हैप्पीनेस, हैप्पी प्लस नेस हैप्पीनेस. कुछ उदाहरण हैं प्रीफिक्सेस एंड सफिक्स. Dear student, there are some example of prefixes, then you will get example of suffix. Just like word is ab, ab, ab means away from. We can create abuse, absent, abnormal, absent, abnormal. Second is ad, add. Add means toward, adjoin, advance, addition. After means later. Math, aftermath. Word, afterward. Anti means against. Pathy, antipathy. Biotic, antibiotic. Auto means self. Graph, autograph. Biography, autobiography. BIB, B means two. Cycle, bicycle. Saps, biceps. COM, CON, CO. Com, con, co means together. Just like mune, commune. Crete, concrete. Contra means against. Just like rary, contrary. Tradict, contradict. Dict, contradict. DE, undo. DE means undo. Sand, descend. Pause, depause. Fact, defact. DIS, dis. Like, dislike. Rust, disrust. Wide, divide. Now X, out of. X means out of. Just like. Attract, extract. Now exit, external. Now this is different word. There is no need to write in this. Extract, exit, external. Miss means wrongly. Tack, mistake. Lead, mislead. Judge, misjudge. Micro means small. Scope, microscope. Rob, microbe. Now pre means before. Went, prevent. Dict, predict. Heat, preheat. Over means above, flow, overflow, due, overdue. Then sub, due, subdue, zac, subzac. Thus we have discussed about the prefixes. In Hindi जो उपसर्ग है जैसे ए बी, ए डी, आफ्टर, एंटी, ऑटो, बी आई, कॉम, कॉन्ट्रा, डी, डिस, एक्स, मिस, माइक्रो, प्री, ओवर एंड सब एक्सेट्रा, ये कुछ प्रीफिक्सेस है, उपसर्ग है, जिनका यूज़ करके हमने ये न्यू वर्ड क्रिएट किया है. ब्रैकेट में इनका मीनिंग है. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट सफिक्स. We have studied that suffix is added at the end of word. जैसे ant, assist, ant, assistant, resist, ant, resistant, ar, lie, ar, liar, school, ar, scholar, arium, plus for, aquarium, er means more, love, lovely, lovelier, preach, preacher, engine, engineer, full means full of, mouthful, mouthful, hopeful, hopeful, joyful, joyful, less means without, fear, less, fearless, hopeless, hopeless, senseless, senseless, ness, state of being, happiness, happiness, kindness, kindness, ology, study of any subject, biology, biology, geology, geology, zoology, zoology. OUS, full of, just like wonder, OUS, wondrous, courage, OUS, courageous, dom means denoting strength, freedom, freedom, wisdom, wisdom, kingdom, kingdom, eon, eon means made of, wooden, wood, eon, wooden, gold, eon, golden, wool, honor, eon, woolen, wise means manner, likewise, otherwise. Thus, dear students, we have discussed about prefixes and after that suffixes. Dear student, first of all, you will have to write down this work of board in your fair notebook. After that, I will provide exercise of this chapter. Dear students, I hope you have understood very well about suffixes and prefixes. These are prefixes which is added at the beginning of main word, and these are prefixes which have been added at the end of the main verb. I think thus you have understood very well about the suffixes and prefixes very well. So dear student, I am revising prefixes. In Hindi, upsarg, it is added at the beginning of word, and suffixes means pratyay, it is added at the end of the main verb. These are example of prefixes, and these are example of suffixes. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.